Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Anyway, I just make some jerk chicken with sun-dried tomato and also different kind of season on it. It's just amazing. You can do this one in your home, at home guys, in your kitchen, and bake it in your oven because the weather is changing. Outside is a little bit chilly. We can't get to do nothing outside on the barbecue at the moment. Not until next summer. Anyway, it's coming up to Christmas, and also we got a lot more ideas and you know what I mean, a lot of stuff coming up your way, so don't go anywhere. We got a lot of things coming, and thank you so much for watching my show. Don't go anywhere. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Nice and beautiful. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We know we normally put something on the menu for the fans and for them to make at home. You know what I mean? I got a lot of my friends who love how I do my jerk chicken. Anyway, I just come from my bushman, and you know what I mean? It's just amazing to know that when you buy your meat, what can happen. You know what I mean? As I said, you know what I mean, I just buy some chicken a while ago and I say I'm gonna do some oven baked jerk chicken again on the menu. Different style and you know what I mean, different ways how you can do things at home. So I got 3 pieces of leg, and this is the way the leg them look. If you notice, I got some split in top of them just to make the season get inside of it and soak. This is some spring onion right here. As everyone know that we love spring onion on our chicken. I'm gonna pop that inside of it like that. I just use 1 spring onion. This is some fresh thyme. All you can do is simple break off the thyme. You don't have to put this bit inside of it. You can just simply break it off like that and use just the dry bit of the thyme. White onion is a must, and we have 1 fresh garlic where I just cut up. So all of the natural season that. And the beauty is that I wash out my chicken with lemon juice. You can use vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice. Little bit of coarse pepper is a must. And we have mixed herb. I love my mixed herb. If you notice, every time when I'm cooking I'm using mixed herb. 1 teaspoon of mixed herb. Lovely and nice. Then we got some chicken season. 1 teaspoon of chicken season. Smoked paprika. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And a teaspoon of all-purpose season. I'm using a teaspoon. If you notice, my teaspoon small, but I don't full it with the season because it's gonna be too much. So I flat tie it down. That means, you know, it doesn't too much. I just buy some jerk season at the supermarket. You know what I mean? Come in blend already, everything inside of it. When you read the ingredients, there's more than 1,000 ingredients in it. So I know you guys will love it. You can get jerk season at the shop to buy supermarket or on the high street if you're local. Teaspoon, not too much. Guys, really spicy. Then we're gonna put some either olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil you have at your home, roughly about a teaspoon. But I'm using some olive oil. Everyone's favorite olive oil. Alright, nice one. Then we're gonna put some ketchup on it. Roughly about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And also I got some sun-dried tomato, which I'm gonna also put on it. These are some sun-dried tomato. I'm putting a few pieces of the sun-dried tomato inside of it. Get some of the oil. Everyone knows sun-dried tomato. You know what I mean? They can get that at the local shop or supermarket to buy, and that's the way they look. I put a few of them inside of it. Bring up the flavor. Then we're gonna simple marinate that. you can see, we got the sun-dried tomato and all these things in it. Lovely and nice. I know you guys will like this recipe. It's just something new upon the menu for the fans them. I'm like to do things enough to make the fans them happy. Alright, then we're gonna bake this inside of the oven for about 35 minutes and gas mark 8. Really amazing. Alright, that's it. We rub it up. Then this is my oven tray, and all I'm going to do is put them in like this and like this and like this. I got a few pieces of wing. And like this. You notice how I'm doing it. Sun-dried tomato, ketchup, and the season and a little bit of jerk season, guys. Amazing. Put these on top of it. Good to go. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. So, as I said, we're going to bake this inside of the oven for roughly about 35 minutes, the least. Inside of the oven, just to get that lovely flavor and that nice lovely taste. But look at that. Amazing recipe. If you're using gas mark, you can use gas mark 8 or 7. Put in the middle of the oven. If you're using in a different kind of oven, like electric oven, which got numbers, 165 or 175 is good for 30 minutes to 35 minutes in your oven. Enjoy the recipe as we do the whole good sun-dried tomato and jerk chicken in the oven with ketchup. Amazing recipe, guys. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Really easy and simple to make at home. Jerk chicken in your oven. Enjoy the recipe. That's the way it's looking, so lovely and nice. So basically what you can do is simple share it out and see the way it look on the plate. So hopefully guys you like the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below, guys. It's just amazing to know that things which you can do in your home. So guys, as you can see, this one is the sun-dried jerk chicken, and it is amazing in your oven at home. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely, and just share the jerk chicken, guys. Look at that. Beautiful and really nice. As you can see, looking so fantastic and really good, guys. As you can see, that's the way the chicken look right here. Beautiful and really nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Got a lot more ideas and tips and recipe for you. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next time. Bye bye.